It's Christmas, maybe the fire gets through the storm. It's Christmas, maybe if you walk right through the door. I don't need presents shining bright, I just need you here tonight. Oh, let the bells mean you're arriving, and on this lonely night to Christmas.
Across the windows, and tables set and hearts awake. Family laughter in the kitchen, every breath a gift you gave. In the quiet there's a whisper calling me to see again. All the ways your grace has carried, every moment, every step. So I thank you on this day for the goodness of your hand, for the mercy in the moments that I still don't understand, for the love that never leaves me and the hope that always wins. Lord, this holiday reminds me where thankfulness begins. Shared around the table, memories wrapped in tender truth. Through the laughter and the heartache, you were faithful pulling through. Every season paints a picture of your kindness once again. Every blessing, every lesson writes your goodness on my hands. So I thank you on this day for the goodness of your hand, for the mercy in the moments that I still don't understand, for the love that never leaves me and the hope that always wins. Lord, this holiday reminds me with thankfulness begins. And as the evening settles softly, we reflect on all you've done. In the highs and in the shadows, still your presence was enough. Let tomorrow hold its questions, let your peace be where I stand. Every year this day reminds me I am carried by your hand. You've been faithful in the waiting, you've been steady in the storm, and your goodness follows closely like a promise to the one. Every breath becomes a confession. You've been with me through it all. Let my gratitude be louder than the doubts that ever call. So I thank you on this day for the goodness of your hand, for the mercy in the moments that I still don't understand, for the love that never leaves me and the hope that always wins. Lord, this holiday reminds me with thankfulness begins. Every heartbeat sings the truth. Thankfulness begins with you.
Bon appetit and Merry Christmas!